Sculpting Success, Mastering the Mind for a Limitless Life. Welcome to a transformative journey, a journey within. Today, we embark on the path of training and disciplining our minds for success in life. To achieve greatness, one must first master the mind. Just as a sculptor shapes a masterpiece from raw stone, we have the power to sculpt our destinies through the discipline of our minds. Imagine a garden where your thoughts are the seeds. Cultivate positivity and watch as your life flourishes with abundance and joy. Every challenge is an opportunity. With a disciplined mind, obstacles transform into stepping stones towards your ultimate success. Visualize your goals clearly. Let this vision guide your thoughts and actions. Discipline your mind to stay focused on your aspirations. Train your mind, discipline your mind, and watch as the world opens up to your limitless potential. The power lies within you. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a disciplined mind. Together, we will unlock the door to an extraordinary life.